Welcome to this video about LeadManager. Working with leads. In this first part out of two, we will show you how to use the lead overview screen. There are many features in the lead overview screen. We will show you how to search, explain status filters, adding and ordering columns, create your own pivot by dragging and dropping columns, using the quick list, and create your own filters. We are now logged into LeadManager, and I will now explain how you can search in a database. For example, I want every lead which has www in the campaign name. Then I want to narrow my search down to all companies having RE in the name, and I can click on this key and specify my search. The filter from begins with to contains. I can delete my search by clicking on clear. This is about the searching part. Then the status filters. There are 6 different status filters. In the status filter all leads are represented. In total 467 leads. By clicking on action, the number of leads is narrowed down. In this status filter you will see all active leads. All active leads are leads which are not customer or discharged. Opportunities. In opportunities there are leads which have an opportunity attached, represented by amount and expectation. Customers is showing all customers in the database, and discharge is showing all leads that have been discharged. The next part, ordering columns. I can order my columns in the way I want. By clicking Save Grid, this order of columns will always appear when I log in again. I can also add or delete columns in my overview. When I click on Show Extra Columns, a field chooser is appearing. If I want to delete phone number from my overview, I click on the left side of my mouse, grab it, put it into the field chooser, and the field is gone from lead overview. By clicking on Save Grid, the field will not appear again when I log in. I can also add new columns. Again, by clicking on the left side of my mouse, I drag and drop it, see the arrows appearing, and the notes field is now added to my overview. By clicking Save Grid, the new overview is created. Then the quick list. I can change the lead owner by using the quick list. I can assign the lead to someone else in the database. Just click on Assign Lead to this person, and the lead is assigned to this person. I can also change the current status of a lead by making a new task. I can change it to call, fill in a specific date I want to call again, make a note, and I can also fill in an amount, for example 10,000. I can add an expectation, 40%. I can also add the closing date, the date that the order is expected. By adding OK and close, status of the lead is changed. Then the last part, creating your own filters. For example, there are now 467 leads in the database, and I only want to see leads which have been added in 2009. I select 2009 Click enter, and I see that my filter here is created. I want to extend the period. I go to the filter and I change to 2009 and 2010. You can see there were about 19 leads created in 2009. And you can see that the filter has narrowed down to 28 leads in the system. To summarize, working with leads part 1, lead overview, I showed you how you can search in the database. I explained the status filters. I showed you adding and ordering columns. I showed you how to create a pivot by dragging and dropping columns. I showed you the quick list, quick task and quick assign, and how to create your own filters.